So here's some gems that didn't quite make it past the censors. I found this DVD. Turns out my parents are dabbling in wrestling.
Oh.
What do you think of this look for prom?
Is it during tax season, or this is the last time you're gonna plan our vacation? I love my E-Trade app so much. I know I shouldn't, but come here, you. Dear E-Trade customer support lady, lovely talking to you. Let me get your math, girl. I love how my grandmother is so comfortable in her own skin. You know, probably because it's a little loose. Interesting. The building across the street is going condo.
Huh.
I would like to hear more about your weekend antiquing. It's just, I think I'm going through a tunnel. No signal. I don't, bars, call you back. I'm saving your portfolio, and you're acting like I'm not even here.
That's why I slept with Mrs. Johnson.
Oh! Hey, check out this year's baby mail. You don't mail babies. You just select a baby or upload your own and then create a message. So, you know, it's like regular mail, just much, much cooler.